Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your frozen or stuck Android phone. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, I have this phone sample where we have a ton of keys, but don't worry. All you got to do is just find the power button, okay, and the volume buttons. Okay, so for volume, we have the up and down volume key. So for power, we only have one. So most phones, we only need one power key, right? So for newer phones, like newer models of Samsung or any other Android device, needs the power key and the volume down key. So first up, you can try to go ahead and use power key. Just hold it until it restarts by itself and up until you see your phone's logo. So once you've seen your phone's logo, you can now then go ahead and release the power key. Now, if that won't work, hold the power key and the volume down key simultaneously. Okay? Again, the power key and the volume down key simultaneously until it restarts your phone. And once you see the phone's logo, so go ahead and release it, and after that, you should be good to go. That is how you force restart a frozen or stuck Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.